Excuse you. Say good morning.
Morning.
Do you like my piggy tails? Oh. There's Gunner. Whoop. All right, guys. Hope you had a good weekend. The weather was crazy but super fun at the same time. My suggestion today is to keep things simple and easy, and as you're cleaning things out, your kids are playing with stuff we haven't played in a while. They're collectors of many things, so have them sort them, graph them. There's all different kinds of ways to do that, whether you are doing it by colors or size or how many you have of something. It's going to be nice out today, so you can chalk up your answers, all those things. It's totally a first grade standard, but I know it's taught other grades as well. So enjoy your day, get outside, and happy birthday, Jimmy White. Say happy birthday.
Birthday.
Birthday. Okay, we'll work on that one. All right, have a good one.